Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, then does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis about 24 hours ago, want to get things updated here. Remember, cryptos are open 24/7, so if you're watching this video several hours from, after it gets posted, then yeah, the chart may look a little bit different, but my goal here is to keep the video relevant for as long as possible. And in order to do that, I'm just going to talk about more so general levels and then walk you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate, kind of the current status of the chart whenever you do end up watching this video. So the first level I do want to point in here, or put in here, I should say, is this resistance trend line that has now started to take shape, via, let's make this red for resistance. There we go. Via these highs right here, meaning the reason I was able to draw a downtrending trend line is because technically the highs are getting lower and lower. Now, does that mean this thing is going to crash? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that it's something to be aware of and take note of, that the bulls in the shorter term, at least over the past few days, do seem to be losing a little bit of their strength. But again, not the end of the world or anything like that, because from a bigger picture type viewpoint, to just shrink this up, and if you watch this, my videos in the past, you've heard me talk about the green line down here time and time again, which is the 6,500 number, and the bulls have done a great job staying up above there. So again, sure, these highs are getting lower and lower, but bigger picture, the price is still doing a great job holding up above the $6,500 mark. If you have not watched any of the past videos, why is 6,500 so important? Well, I'm not saying this will happen, but in the event the price were to actually break below 6,500 and then separate to the downside, at that point, it would literally, it being the chart, would be putting the price right back inside of this range of the chart before, this big move happened right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but going back to where things were before, anything started, not exactly a sign of true power. So that's why 6,500 is so important. But as things stand right now, the price is doing a great job of maintaining that. But I did want to at least point out here that this is looking a little bit shaky. So when you watch the chart, or if you're watching this video, let's say 20 hours from now, first question, where's the price relative to 6,500? If you're answering that question, that the price is still up above it, then perfect. That means that the price still has an opportunity to build that overall higher base. Second question would be, if it's above 6,500, where's the price at relative to this trend line? If the price is actually up above it, that would be a sign that, hey, a nice breakout is underway. So use these levels, use those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant until I'm back 24 hours from now. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.